In the heart of a bustling city, where the rhythm of life thrummed against the backdrop of honking cars and chattering pedestrians, Jenna found herself in a charming, yet challenging, open-plan apartment. The space was a canvas of possibilities, filled with sunlight that poured through large windows, illuminating the polished wooden floors. Yet, as she settled into her new home, she quickly realized that the vastness of the area posed a unique dilemma: how to create distinct zones that would enhance both functionality and comfort while preserving a sense of cohesion. Jenna's first step was to envision her lifestyle. As a freelance graphic designer, her days were often a blend of creativity and quiet concentration. She needed a workspace that would inspire her, a cozy nook to dive into her projects, and a living area that welcomed relaxation and socializing. With this in mind, she set out to carve out her sanctuary within the expansive layout. The first zone she tackled was her workspace. Positioned near the window, where natural light flooded in, Jenna envisioned a small desk flanked by shelves filled with art supplies, books, and personal mementos. She chose a minimalist desk in a warm wood tone, complementing the apartment's overall aesthetic. To delineate this area from the rest of the space, she introduced a vibrant area rug that anchored the desk, its colors echoing the hues of her artwork. A tall, leafy plant in the corner added a touch of life, creating a sense of separation without blocking the view. This little oasis became her creative hub, a place where ideas flowed as freely as the light streaming in. Next came the living area, which Jenna wanted to transform into a cozy retreat, a stark contrast to her busy work zone. She envisioned a comfortable sofa adorned with plush cushions, inviting friends over for movie nights, or simply curling up with a good book. To define this space, she strategically placed a low bookshelf behind the sofa, creating a subtle barrier that separated it from her workspace while still maintaining an open feel. The bookshelf, filled with novels and decorative items, acted as a visual anchor, enhancing the room's character. To enhance the ambiance, Jenna added soft lighting. A floor lamp with a warm glow stood next to the sofa, casting a gentle light perfect for evening reads. She also hung string lights across the ceiling, their twinkling bulbs creating a whimsical atmosphere that invited relaxation and connection. This living area, with its inviting warmth, became a gathering spot for friends and family, a place where laughter echoed and memories were made. The final zone Jenna created was a dining area, a small but essential space where she could enjoy meals and entertain guests. She chose a round table, which encouraged conversation and made the area feel less rigid than a rectangular one would. To mark this space, she placed a bold tablecloth that added a splash of color, drawing the eye and inviting people to sit down. Surrounding the table were mismatched chairs, each with its own story, adding a layer of charm and personality. Throughout this process, Jenna was mindful of maintaining a cohesive atmosphere. She chose a consistent color palette of soft earth tones, allowing each zone to feel distinct, yet part of a greater whole. The decor elements, from the artwork on the walls to the textiles used in each area, shared a common thread that unified the space. As Jenna stepped back to admire her handiwork, she felt a sense of accomplishment wash over her. The once overwhelming expanse of her open-plan apartment had been transformed into a harmonious blend of functional zones, each serving a purpose while contributing to a cohesive living experience. The careful zoning of her space not only enhanced her day-to-day life, but also reflected her personality, making her apartment a true home. In this carefully curated environment, Jenna found not just comfort and functionality, but a sanctuary that nurtured her creativity and spirit.